You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is also a word from Italian. This is the name of a former Roman emperor. If you want to learn more names from Latin, ancient Rome, stay tuned. This is also the word black, for the color black in Italian. The Italian pronunciation, Nero, Nero. In English, the emperor is pronounced in history as Nero. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.